To use the digital wallet TD Bank in 2023, start by downloading the TD Bank app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once downloaded, open the app and log in to your TD Bank account using your username and password. If you do not have a TD Bank account, you can enroll in the app by following the prompts. Next, navigate to the Digital Wallet section of the app, which is usually found under the Payments or Services tab. Here you can add your TD Bank debit or credit card to your digital wallet. To do this, select the Add Card option and follow the instructions to verify your card information. After your card is added, you can use your digital wallet to make purchases online or in store. To make a purchase, simply select the digital wallet option at checkout. Choose your TD Bank card and authenticate the transaction using your device's fingerprint or password. It is also important to note that TD Bank's digital wallet is compatible with several popular digital wallet services, including Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. To use these services, you will need to add your TD Bank card to the respective app, and then you can use your device to make purchases. In addition to making purchases, the TD Bank digital wallet also allows you to track your spending, view your account balance, and receive notifications about your account activity. To access these features, simply log in to the TD Bank app and navigate to the account dashboard. To get the most out of your TD Bank digital wallet, make sure to keep your device and app up to date, and always use strong passwords and authentication methods to protect your account. By following these steps and using the TD Bank digital wallet, you can enjoy a convenient and secure way to manage your finances and make purchases.